Exercise 8. X-intercept of a line. What is the x-intercept of the graph of 3x plus 6y equals 18 in the xy plane? Okay, to be honest, every time I see something like that, the easiest thing for me would be to simply use theory directly and solve it by hand. We know that x-intercept means put y equals 0 and solve for x. In linear cases like this one, perhaps it's quicker. 3x plus 6 times 0 is 18. So 3x should be 18. Obviously, x is 6. So the right answer would have been B. But I can understand some of you who do not want to mess with operations. Okay, I get that. So what should you do? Jump directly to Desmos. And let me show you how this is done. We will go, let me clear history. So we will go on Desmos and I will just plug in the given expression. 3x plus 6y is 18. This is a line. We need the x-intercept. We should all understand at least that the x-intercept is the point where the graph intersects with the x-axis. So we'll search through that. It's this, it's 6, 0. So obviously, again, is answer B. So if you feel confident, do it by hand. If you don't feel that confident and you want to feel more safe, jump into Desmos, and that would be all. Or in any way, the right answer for that question would be B.